such as betadine. It must never be forgotten that a prosthesis is being implanted. Once the operating field has been cleaned and the skin dried, the surface to be treated and possible gravitational vectors that could affect the final result are taken into account. In doing this, it is necessary to consider the length of the needle that will be used, bearing in mind that this must be introduced at least 0.5 centimeters away from the site to be corrected. Once the direction has been decided, the needle is a 23G needle is a good choice, and allowed to slide subcutaneously until the angle of the labial commissure. When the furthest point to be corrected has been reached, the injection, slow but continuous, is started, sliding the needle in a retrograde direction in a stepwise manner. This procedure will produce a homogeneous prosthesis which can be easily removed if necessary. It is wise to confirm the correct volume filling before sliding the needle one step backwards. It is important to remember that bulk formed by the introduction of bioalchemate corresponds very faithfully to the volume needed to achieve the correction, since the substance is stable and saturated and therefore does not attract water. During the injection, the substance being distributed subcutaneously must be piloted by the contralateral hand in order to prevent an undesired subcutaneous route being taken. Once the volume injected is considered sufficient for the desired correction, the needle is withdrawn in a retrograde direction and in a stepwise manner. The pressure exerted on the plunger is ceased only a few millimeters from the needle exit orifice. It is very important to ensure that there is no backflow of residual material in the orifice, because this would prevent correct cicatrization of the flaps and would thus constitute a route of access for bacteria and debris. For this reason, the orifice should also be cleaned with hydrogen peroxide. Once the injection has been completed, the area should be massaged to distribute the product. This massage is important not only to distribute the filler homogeneously and adequately, but also, and indeed above all, to give the correct form to the newly inserted prosthesis. Following this massage, an ice pack